Kayte Deioma. The JW Marriott Los Angeles L.A. Live is the primary convention hotel at L.A. Live with over 800 rooms. Read the review. The Ritz-Carlton L.A. Live has 123 luxury rooms on the 22nd 24th floors of a 54-story tower. Luxe City Center Hotel is a high-end makeover of a former Holiday Inn across the street from L.A. Live. More hotels near L.A. Live. Figueroa Hotel is a small boutique hotel with a Moroccan theme a block from L.A. Live. The Ritz Milner Hotel is a basic hotel in a restored historic building 2 blocks from L.A. Live. O Hotel is a boutique hotel in a restored 1920s building 3 blocks from L.A. Live. Wilshire Grand Los Angeles is an independent hotel 4 blocks from L.A. Live. Sheraton Los Angeles Downtown Hotel is 5 blocks from L.A. Live. The Westin Bonaventure Hotel in the heart of the business district is 6 blocks from L.A. Live. The Standard Downtown LA is a trendy hotel 6 blocks from LA Live. Hilton Checkers is a deluxe business hotel 10 blocks from LA Live. The Millennium Biltmore Hotel at Pershing Square is a landmark luxury hotel 10 blocks from LA Live.